friends, welcome to How Ines Rolls. I was just thinking about my front door and my front porch. It's time to do some changing, so I'm gonna head over to the Dollar Tree, and I'd like to take you along with me and show you some of the upcoming stuff for Valentine's Day. Oh, already. I just wanted to show you what it looks like on the front porch. So I think I do want to keep these baskets, but I'm hoping the Dollar Tree will have some other decor that I could put out front. If not, we'll just take a look to see what they do have at the Dollar Tree. That'll be fun. Let's go. So fun, you guys. Look at all these little fun things. Oh, this is going to be so good for when the kids get their stuff. Oh, that is adorable. I love it. They always have really good stuff for, obviously, kids' little Valentine gifts to their friends. And it's on the cheap. But look at these little containers to put like special cookies or maybe some special chocolate truffles. So cute. Look at those. They're little fortune cookies, but they're made out of like a craft or a foam paper. So creative and so fun. Okay, here we go. The decor. These are all so cute. I love it. So I love these little like embellishments, like to go in like little flower things, but I'm not loving their choices of flower right now. And you can see they have a lot of space here to add some more flowers. But in the meantime, perhaps I will pick up a couple of these ones. Yes. Look at all this great stuff. They even have great wrapping paper. So cute. So fun. And little mailboxes. How cute are those? And they have lots and lots of candy for Valentine's Day. Very, very cute. And you know, guys, one of my favorite candies are these ones. Those conversation hearts. They're like my favorite. I don't obviously get them very often because they're only coming out once a year, but I'll make sure to get a couple of those. Oh yeah, this is all the yummy stuff. Plus, if you need cards for classrooms, so inexpensive. Got like some fun characters too. So this Dollar Tree has some great acrylic organization. Look at these, you guys. Those are so nice. And they have them in different shapes and sizes. So if you're redoing some drawers, you definitely want to come and take a look at your nearest Dollar Tree. Here's some more storage ideas. They have them in the fun colors now. So every so often they change out their colors. And this royal blue is going to be really good for like a kid's room, especially little boys. But they do have pink and the teal and the purple. How fun. And these square ones are great for shelf organization or under beds with toys. Yes, this is all good stuff here. Well, I just came back from the Dollar Tree. Plus, I made a pit stop at Walmart. So I wanted to show you just a couple of things, or the things that I got from the Dollar Tree, and one special thing that I got from Walmart. So let me show you what I got. So I got 4 more of these black frames. They're just very plain, just very straight lined. I like that. So these are going to be going into my bathroom. I have some more art that just needs to be framed and put up. and I'll show you right here. Okay, so I'm gonna use these frames and these pictures. I'm just trying to decide which one to use. And I'm gonna put them right here in our bathroom. So I've been working on this, so I'm just happy to find these frames at the Dollar Tree. So after I just cut these down to fit into the frames, I always use command strips in case I don't like how I position them on the wall. Plus it doesn't leave any holes, so I like that. And so far, you guys, they're looking pretty good. Okay, here's my final placing. One of my frames was broken, you guys. What a bummer. So I have the 3, and I don't know if I love it. I think I still might put another one up there, have the 4. But you can see that it's just very inexpensive to make some cute little changes. So now I have some more here. And that's why I think I want to have 4, because I have 2 over here, and then I'll do 2 and 2. But all it needs is some command strips. I wanted to show you in a different light that I went with just the 2, and I like it. I like it with just the 2, and I could use like some decor here, like some greens, but the 2 here and the 2 there, it's good. It's a good thing. So cute, right? Okay, so here is what I got for the Valentine section. Isn't that just sweet with these bouquet of hearts? So I'm going to be using those in decor in the front porch. And let me show you what else I got. So I've been looking for white flowers or like some greenery, and I found it at Walmart, of course. So I got 8 of these boxwoods. Now these to me have a really great green color. I don't know if you can tell, but I also do like eucalyptus. Their eucalyptus was a little more frosted. So I have 8 of these, and I got a couple of these white Gerber flowers, these daisies. So I think that'll be super cute together, and I'll show you what I'm doing with them in the front porch right now. Take a look. Here is the before. So these were the ones that we had for Christmas. So I'm going to put in the ones I just got today. How's that for the after? So I have like the pinks and the reds for Valentine's, the white flowers with the green for the winter and into the spring. So I can make that even more colorful as it turns warmer outside. But I love the white and just the green, and then the hint of pink. And then I can reuse the red. I still have some glue on my finger. But I think it's so cute. And here they are in a different light. Oh, so the red and the pink is good for Valentine's. And I have a little bit of Valentine decor. I'm gonna build on that. So sweet. I just love like these little inexpensive, decorative things that the Dollar Tree does have, and I'll probably start over here implementing some like pinks and reds. It'll be so good. So let me know what you think. Didn't those turn out so cute? Oh my gosh, you guys. That is like the beginning of me redecorating the front porch, and I have some more ideas ready to go. So thanks so much for stopping by the channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you loved shopping with me at the Dollar Tree, and to see what I did with the things from Dollar Tree. So fun, and it was on the cheap. Like those flowers, the flowers were $10 for the front porch, and the frames $4. Boom, right? So thanks again, rollers, for stopping by, and stick around. You just never know what I'll be rolling out next. Bye, everyone.